What did you put in the bowl?
So a little bit of coconut, yellow eggplant, and some green lettuce. So you leave it there. Get a knife, a mixing spoon and fork, or just normal spoon and fork, and then just mix them around. Doesn't matter if it makes noise. There. So. And now we get a tray. You put the salad inside the bowl that there is there. Squish it. And then that's it. Yeah. Whoa. It's slippery.
Thank you, Chef.